So let's just summarize the cleaning that I mentioned in other videos. It's very important before charging your bike, before putting the battery back on the bike, to check these pins and see if there are any metal debris, like this little one that is you can barely see it, but it's still there and might cause some issue to the battery or the bike. So you have like some electric cleaners. You can go to your bike shop local and ask them what they use. You just spray this electric cleaner on the connector and clean it up with the brush. You can then just use some towel to wipe it a little bit. Also, if you're going to charge the bike here on this connector, you do the same thing. And then after you've cleaned it and checked it out, you may proceed with charging the battery or putting it back on the bike and start to ride. So always keep that connectors clean, because even though this seems like something small, it might cause really big damage to the bike and the electronics.